if you've been trading for long, you notice that the market has a cycle. Yes, it has a cycle, which from my experience, so is every 3 years. Every 3 years, the market tends to shift. If, let's say, you are trading as far back as 2016, 2017, 2018, which was the period I started trading, ranging markets as at then used to be my highest opportunities for profitability. That changed after a while. I began to notice that if you're more interested in ranging markets, you lose a lot of money. As at then, there's this indicator that is called Donchan Channel, Bollinger Bands. That year, if you use Bollinger Bands on a ranging market, you go cash out because it was predictable. It will just be bouncing like that, and you can get 5 setups in 5 days on the same market, on the same currency pair. You understand? But at some point, that thing began to change. You now notice when the market is going to resistance, it will go out of the resistance. Make sure it takes your stop loss, then it comes back. You understand? So the market kind of changes, and I think one of the reasons why that happens also is because of the different states of the economy. Like for instance, when this man was in power, what's his name now? Joe Biden. The market was different from when Trump stepped into power. Even when Obama was in, the market was different. So those kind of economies kind of make things a bit. Now that Trump is in power, I can tell you, many traders are losing money. It shouldn't have been so, but unfortunately, that's the reality. You get, because now there are a lot of more uncertainties in the market than when Biden was in power. 2, 3, 4 years ago, fundamentals were much more stronger than what it is now. Before, I'm talking now 2019, 2020, when NFP comes out, the market knows that NFP comes out. You will see nothing less than 100, 150, 200 pips. This I'm telling you. Then, preparing for to trade market, we know that today, either you go to village or you go or you travel abroad. One of them must happen when NFP is coming out or cost CPI. But now NFP can come out. You just see 20, 30 pips go up and down, relax. This thing started recently, I'm telling you. Once uncertainty level reduces in the market becomes more predictable. But once uncertainty level rises, the market becomes highly unpredictable. News can do anything.